If your washing machine isn't filling with water, it may indicate a problem with the water supply components. Several factors can cause this malfunction, including low water pressure, a kinked hose, a partially open water valve, a leaking hose or inlet valve, or an open door. To fix the issue, start by checking the water pressure. If it's too low, water won't fill the machine, so try opening the tap. If the problem persists, consider contacting a professional. Additionally, inspect the drain hose for any kinks or wrinkles and smooth it out or remove any blockages. Ensure the water valve is fully open, as a partially open valve can cause water to fill slowly. It's also essential to inspect the inlet valve and hose for any leaks or obstructions, and replace them if necessary. Run the hose through water to remove any blockages. Finally, check that the washer door is closed properly. You should hear a click when it's shut, and ensure there are no objects obstructing the door or that the latch isn't faulty. By addressing these potential causes, you should be able to resolve the issue and get your washing machine filling with water again.